Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Steve from Minecraft as a smiling critter. So first we're going to start with a face on a diagonal pointing up towards the left corner. And we're going to start with our right eye on the bottom. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to close this off on the top from the corner here, arching this line around and then down. Let's move up on a diagonal now. We're going to curve this line around and then up. And then from that point on the side, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. In the center now, we're going to draw in an oval on both eyes. And now let's draw in the mouth. So coming down from the corner of the eye, we're going to curve this line down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Let's close off the top of the mouth now with a curved line from left to right. And then we'll replicate this again on the bottom. Now in the center for the tongue, we're going to arch this line up and then down. And then one more time from the left-hand side, curving that over. Now let's draw in the hair. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. On the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, bringing that down. Now on the side, we're just going to draw in a small curved line that arches out. On the top here, we're going to arch this line up. And then now from the top in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Closing off the bottom of the face now, for the side, we're going to curve this line in. And then for the bottom of the face, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line, bringing that down towards the side. And then now from here in the corner, we're just going to curve this line up. On the side now, let's curve this line around and then in, ending that on a diagonal. And now from here, from the corner, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. And then closing off the hair, we're just going to bring a diagonal line in. Let's draw in the rest of the body now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. Moving up, we're going to draw in another curved line for the rest of the torso. From that point in the corner, we're going to curve this line in, and then we're going to arch this line down and across, connecting that together. For the shoulder on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out, and then we're going to curve this line down towards the torso. For the neck, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And now let's draw in the pendant. So in the middle, we're going to draw two diagonal lines on both sides. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in on both sides. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom, leaving a gap. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a straight line on the top and the bottom. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small square. From each corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. And then for the necklace on the pendant, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines, one on each side. Now from here, we're going to draw in the right shoulder. So we're going to bring this line down. And then we're going to curve this line over. Let's draw in our right arm first. So we're going to bring this line down and then across. From here, we're going to arch this line around and then in. We're going to replicate that in the center. And then one more time as we move over. Let's move over to the left-hand side now, and this is going to be the hand that's holding in the sword. So we're going to leave a small gap and curve this line up. And then for the thumb, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. Closing off the top of the arm, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line in towards the shoulder. And then on the bottom, we're going to bring this line out and then up. On the top for the first finger, we're going to curve this line in. And then we're going to arch this line around and then down. Moving down again, we're going to curve this line in. And then on the bottom, we're just going to arch this line up. Now let's draw in the zigzag pattern as we come all the way over towards the left-hand side. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this line back in and over. Now for the side of the hand, we're gonna curve this line in. And now let's draw in the rest of the sword. So on the side, we're going to bring this diagonal line up, out, and then in towards the hair. And then on the bottom, we're gonna bring this line up, down, drawing a zigzag pattern as we come all the way across. Now we're gonna continue to draw this as we come over. So it gets smaller on the right-hand side. So we're gonna bring this diagonal line all the way over in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over towards the side. And then from that point, we're just gonna bring this down, up, and continue this as we come all the way in towards the side of the head. Now from here on the side, we're just gonna replicate this pattern as we come all the way over in the middle. For the eyebrows on the top of the head, we're just gonna draw in a curved line on both sides. And now let's draw in the legs. So in the center, we're gonna draw in a curved line that arches over. In the middle, we're gonna curve this line down and then out. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Moving over on the right, we're gonna curve this line out. And then we'll replicate this over on the left-hand side. Now on the top for the foot, we're gonna curve this line around and then back in towards that corner. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the left. So we're gonna start on the inside, curving this line up and bringing this all the way around and then back in. And now for the bottom of the foot, we're just gonna curve this line down, replicating this on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Steve from Minecraft as a smiling critter. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.